Hi guys, welcome to Designers World CBE. Today we are going to see about Espritcam. So first of all we are going to see how to open Espritcam. In this, go to start menu, and by clicking Esprit shortcut you can directly open it, or you can go to Esprit DP Technologies, and from there you can click Esprit to open it. And after opening you will have this screen, and I clicked OK. And after that, if you want to create a new, you have to go with blank document and click OK. If you see, this is the working window of the Espritcam.